Hey, what's up? Rob here again, and in this video I want to show you how to use the split test function inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. So let's jump in and take a look. Okay, here we are in the ClickFunnels 2.0 dashboard, and today we're going to look at the split test function. So we're going to jump into it inside the funnels section. So first of all, we go over to Site and Funnels on the left-hand menu, then pick Funnels, and this will show you a list of all of the funnels you've either imported or built inside of your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. Now I'm going to edit this first one here. Now this is a simple lead magnet. It's an opt-in and a thank you page. You'll see the funnel view in a second, the overview. So I've got two pages in this funnel. I've got an opt-in page, which gives the information about the lead magnet, and I've got a thank you page down here. So if I preview the opt-in page, now why might we want to split test these pages? Well, if you're sending traffic to a page, especially if it's paid traffic, it's important to make sure that you're getting the best value for your ad spend. So you want to make sure that your page is performing well. So you might want to test two versions of your page or more. I always test two at a time and then make a small change, and then filter down whichever one performs the best, then test that against something else, another small change. If you make too many changes at once, it will be hard for you to keep track of why what's changing is affecting your traffic. So you want to be make small changes. It takes a little bit longer, but it's worth it in the end because you get much more narrowed down results. So for instance, I might want to, on this page, test a different image, or I might want to test a different button color or a different background color, or I might want to put these bullet points up here above the image. All of those things we can do really easily with the split test function. So if we go back to the funnel overview here, now to split test a specific page, you come to the three dots on the page, because this is the page that I want to split test. Click on the three dots and you click split test page, and you see that's now split that path into two sections, and they now both feed down into the thank you page in the funnel. So if you click on this split test here, this shows you how much of the traffic that you're sending in the top of the funnel goes to either of those two pages. So it's default to 50%. So half of the traffic, if you sent 100 clicks to your lead page, your lead magnet page, you would get 50 clicks go to the original page, and 50 clicks would go to the test page. So you can adjust that with this slider. If you wanted to keep more of your original traffic going to your original page, you just put the weight off to that side, 75%, 25%, whatever you want, or you can discard that and stick with the 50-50. And if you want to delete the test altogether, you can just click the cross here, but I'll show you that in a second. Now, we've obviously got nothing on this test path here, so we need to click the plus here. So you hover over it, click the plus, and we want to add a page because we're testing a page against another page. And this will come up with the various opt-in pages in the templates, but what we want is we want to test it against the same page, but with some minor edits. So click on My Funnel Pages. That will show you all the pages that you've got in your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. I'm going to find that page here, so I'm going to click Choose. I'm going to give it a name. So I'm going to go for opt-in test 1. You don't have to give it a description, but I'm still going to put it in. I like to put it in anyway. And it gives it a URL, or you can change that yourself. Again, you can put in your SEO settings and all that sort of thing. I'm not going to index it because this is just for a demo, but we can now create the page. And you see that's now created that page here. So you've got these two options. So 50% of my traffic coming in the top will go to my original page, and 50% of my traffic that hit this page will come into this new test page. So now I can go in and edit that page now that we've imported it. This will open up in the editor, and say I want to bring this, I might want to take this whole section above. I can bring the bullet points up above the opt-in, and that can be one of my first test. So I can save that, and I can run my traffic to the funnel. If I come back out, now I'm going to be running my original page, which is here. And if I click on a preview of this one as well, see them side by side, that's the test page. So what I'm testing is how this performs with the original format, with the image and the opt-in up here, bullet points down the bottom, against the test here where I have the bullet points above the image and down below with the opt-in. The other option, if I wanted to change it again, I can just come in and I can edit this page. Say I've done this for a week, I've got some results, a couple of weeks, whatever, however long you choose. I might decide, okay, that's performing well. Now I want to test, whether this button makes a difference. I can then go and change the button. just as you normally would do. You put the new image in, or if you're using a regular button, you can change the color of the button, the font, the size of the text, whether it's bold or whether it's not, all of that stuff. You might want to change your text color, for instance. You might think, well, let's try this in a darker color. I could do that. I could come in and I could make that, say, darker, just to see how that performs. And again, I've got another split test. You come back, try it over again, and that's it. So if we go back to the, let's just say that, if we go back to the funnel overview, and then once you're done with your test, you can then, you'll see what your results are, how they've been performing. When you've had enough and you want to get rid of the test, you can click on the red X, delete the test, and it will ask you which one you want to delete. So you can either delete both sides, you can delete the left, which was the original, or the right, which is the test. So in this case, I want to delete the test. So I'm going to click on test, click remove, and now my funnel is back to its original form. And that's it. So that's how you use the split test function inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. It's really easy to use. The other option you've got is you can add in decisions where, based on you can filter it based on email address, or if a customer has been on your list already, you can send them down one path, or you can base it on answers they give. You could have click this button for this outcome, or click this button, have you tried this, or which thing interests you the most, and then it sends them down the funnel. You can add all of these things in here, and it's the same process. You get a left and a right. You can choose which percentage you send down which path, and then you can add in your pages that way. So that's about it. I hope that's helped you understand the split test function. Now, you can still, if you haven't played around with ClickFunnels 2.0, you can still get a free 30-day trial of the $297 a month plan. You can try it out for 30 days, and you can also get on the your first funnel challenge. So you can watch the recordings of the challenge, which was recorded live a couple of weeks ago. Russell Brunson going through everything, setting your homework, so you can actually get inside the ClickFunnels 2.0 builder and actually start using it. And added to that, I've put together a $12,000 bonus package, which will actually help you. If you use that and follow it, you'll actually get the cost of your ClickFunnels 2.0 in affiliate commissions. With just 3 sales, will cover your monthly subscription. And if you want to see that in action, the bonus in action, and how I used it to rank my videos right at the top of Google on page 1 within 24 hours, check out the video above me. You'll get all of that as a bonus for signing up with ClickFunnels 2.0 with me. Even if it's just taking out the trial, you'll get all of that as well. So go to the link on the screen. It's claim.myclickfunnels.com/bonus. So click on that one, and then you'll see all of the bonuses. All you need to do is click on one of the buttons on the page, fill in your name and your email address, click send me the bonuses, and that will take you to the page to sign up for your free trial. You'll sign up for the funnel challenge first. That will take you to another page. Make sure you upgrade to the VIP, so you get the 30-day trial for free. And then once you've done that, you'll get an email from me anyway. Reply to that email, and I will send you your bonuses so you can get started, and you can start getting your products, your whether it's affiliate products, whether you want to promote ClickFunnels, you'll get your rankings on Google. You can start straight away, and it really works. Like I said, check out that video. You'll see it in action and how I used it myself. So I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know if there's any other videos on ClickFunnels 2.0 you want me to make. Put it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to make them for you. So if you've enjoyed the video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to get notifications as well, so that when I publish new content, you'll get notified so you can see it straight away. And all that stuff, of course, helps me get more videos in front of people like you who hopefully find them useful. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye.